Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Keep It Reet. And today is a bit of a sad day, and that's because, as you can see, everything is gone and it's time to close the doors. Sign's gone, back to pot world, and yeah, that's it. 5 years ago, we started Keep It Reet with one factory and one employee, all with the idea keeping drifting off the street and on the track and running amazing events with the Japanese vibe, the good times, to hang with your mates and thrash the cars that you've built and have a good time. Then COVID came down and we're like, what are we gonna do? And we realized we've got an amazing following, so we used that and brought the idea of giveaways, giving you the chance to win your dream car while supporting us at the same time. Fast forward till now, we've got 4 factories and 15 employees, but the time has come where that all has to come to a stop. And it's time to close the doors.
Let me off the hook. I wanna run wild. Get tangled in the sheets with the...
Hello? George, there is a rumor around town that you've closed your doors. Is that true? Oh, well, I'm very glad to hear that.
Alright, so here we are now. We've done it with some hard work, determination, and the best team ever. I introduce you to our official Keep It Reet Kang Gang Factory. So here's where it begins. Come with me. Welcome to the showroom. So here's all my memorabilia that I've collected over all the years. I've got some real OG stuff. We've got the display cabinet. Funnily enough, this thing was already in here, worked perfect. And we've got the OG merch sign, and the it has disappeared just as we decided to film this. Kang! All my OG trophies from 2013 up when I started competing. Some OG shirts. It's quite spicy. I'm not gonna go through the whole thing. Some memorabilia. Glad I kept it, because now I've got use. Got a lot of checks from all my podiums over the years, and yes. As we walk through, we got some skateboards, some D1NZ things, all the things. You can look into the factory from here. Come up here.
That's a lot of ass shot.
Alright, coming here, we've got that media lounge. This is where all the media boys are at. How many people we got in here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right now, and growing rapidly. And we've got the OL33 design up there. We've just tried to sort of fill the place. We've only sort of really had a week or so leading into the LZ World Tour this weekend. So we thought we'd come up with a bang and treat our guests to the spicy new factory. But yeah, quite a cool little zone here. You've got, again, looking down into the workshop. Yeah, some nice little homely touches in here. So let's keep going. Yay, fancy. Come on through here. The best part, the Keep It Reet Tavern. Come on in. Yes, Jassy, of course. He's on the Keep It Reet brew.
Oh, gang, guys.
Hey.
What's going on? Welcome to my office.
Hey.
This is where you find me.
24/7, the Keep It Reet Tavern. So we've brought all our the guest posters up in here. That's quite a fancy little vibe. Jassy installed some nice LEDs under here for the real bar. Oof. The red chairs. Got our own kitchen. Got all the stock of all the energy drinks. What would you like? Like a beverage? What is? Stank old beer. There's a fridge, there's an oven, and there's a microwave, and there's a tap, and a rain shield. What is? That's it. I've got a fancy bin too. Alright, keep coming through to the lounge, my favorite area. We've got some custom tables, thanks to Randy blowing up RB25 and an RB20. Jassy thrown together with some pastons. Nice glass table and the LED. Oof. And then the best bit, the bean bags. Give us the jump, Jassy. Boom! I'm pretty happy with how it all just came together because it's literally been a week, so we sort of smashed everything together. Some unfinished things, like this room, which I think will probably be Jassy's bedroom.
I'm moving in. It's definitely not the finished product.
Let's get in there, get in there. Get in there. All right, Manager Reet's office, the boys, JB Rogers, Jassy, Adam, Daniela, and me. Nah, we don't even in here anymore, we'll be in the US, and Brandon. And so yeah, more memorabilia of doors, just taking up wall space. Okay.
Oof. The VL quad turbo.
Oof. All right, moving on. Doors. Switches behind doors. Who wired this thing? Jass.
Some Jassy one.
All right, coming to the factory. There's not many cars here right now. She's about to get full, but she's all laid out, ready to go. The feature wall. So I got the old guards, all 3, 32, 33, 34. All the sponsors, all the supporting sponsors. You got to look after them. I really look forward to all the videos that are to come because we're gonna have some pretty spicy cars sitting here, there, and everywhere. And once it's full of cars, I think it's gonna really pop. But anyway, lots of space for activities. Jassy's slowly gonna mess it all up real quick with tires and machines. Anyway, keep going. Ooh, LED everything.
LED.
So this is, I guess, the main entrance. Main entrance and an old booth. So this was actually an old racing team factory. It was a brewery last, but before that, it was called Red Racing. 23 Red Racing.
It's a supercar.
Supercar team?
Supercar team.
Yeah. Some people might know. Peter Brock and Schumacher walked through these doors. I don't know. This is probably where we'll shoot all our giveaways. Probably get some spicier lights in here.
And probably going to change the floor and get rid of the grate. And there's a whole lot of stuff.
A whole lot of stuff is going to go. All that area is actually going to go because it was
work in progress.
Work in progress. Anyway, giveaway shoots in here. Probably get more signage. Probably a big mural. My face is.
Always watching.
This is Old Brewery, East Ale, if you ever tried it. I don't even know if it hit the shelves. There's a few beers there, but yeah. Some old signs that's still here. You probably don't need to see in here, but it's quite neat. This is Brandon's office. He's got his merch. Get your jackets. All our stock is getting ready for the Aussie World Tour. So make sure if we've got any left over, get on whatever we've got, because don't know.
The VL pre-order is actually still going. If you want to get yourself some spicy PSI 30 merch, it's on the screen here and here.
Good work, Jassy. I knew I had you here for a reason. Anyway, merch room, and the bit you've probably all been waiting for. The Kang Gang Factory.
This is my actual office.
Walk us through your office. How come you get all this, but you get a whole factory, Jazzy, and everyone else crams, 15 other people cram in there, and you and
Because, believe it or not, I know this might come as a surprise to you, but cars actually take up more space than humans and computers. So yeah, welcome to my area. Yeah, how can you ignore the baller triple stacker hoist ×2? Sheesh. Got some pretty cool cars on there at the minute. A couple secrets. One of my favorite cars to come through the factory. Of course, the 1000 kilowatt GDR, which actually ends tonight. So if you want to win this car, 1000 kilowatt sequential GDR, keepreet.com. Anyway, we're not here for that. Midnight Purple 3 R34.
Still gotta go to the winner. Still gotta go to the winner. Bit of a backlog for Aussie World Tour, but it looks Kang, so there's that. So sorry to you winners, but it's coming.
We have some 4-post hoists that will be going here out of one of our other factories once we fully move in, but we haven't really moved in yet. We've just sort of set up the big stuff. And that's about it. The 4 premium
brand new tough lift hoists.
Matching 2-post hoists, the epoxied floors, the painted walls. It's quite nice.
Jeez. Take a minute to just take in those epic signs. That's a big ass Keep It Reet up there. God dang.
And we went broke doing this, so Jason won't let me buy any workbench.
Yes, no benches, no tools. Just work with what you got, Jassy. Use your...
Make it work! I used to do all of this in my mum's driveway back in the day.
Yes.
In 5 minutes. It's all it takes to do
much.
any
I'll
job
do all
on a
these.
car ever. 5 minutes in your mum's driveway.
Anyway, we're keeping it clean for all the guests coming through tomorrow. So, yeah, it's gonna start filling out with shelves and tires and racks and welding and don't care. It's gonna get gross, but.
Yeah, we're gonna try to keep it nice.
We've got a few cars that are going to get unveiled in the next few days. This is just one of them and a representation of, I think we've got about 5 cars that are going to be unveiled. So make sure you smack that subscribe so you can see that content flow through, because some pretty amazing cars are going to be on these floors very soon. And yeah, this is one of the guests. So we'll rip them sheets off real soon, and keen to see the reactions of the guests and what they think of the cars. So as we said before about the backlog in all the giveaway cars that we are yet to deliver, that's because we've had nothing but issues with the tow truck companies and going up and down Australia. So we decided to keep it all in-house, and we got our very own spicy tow truck and brand new trailer. So that means 2 cars. We've got our very own boy, which is an OG Drifter 2, which is Jimmy Boy, James Thompson, and he's absolutely slaying it. So you are going to get your car personally delivered by one of the Keep It Reet boys. It's in the best caring hands, and the same deal as anyone that sells us your spicy cars. It's going to be picked up by our boy and taken right here. So yeah, that's pretty exciting. Pretty stoked on all these epic achievements: tow truck, towing, tow cars, factory, bigger office space, clean work area, just something we can call our own. And that's a massive thank you to all you guys for all your continued support, whether it's the giveaways, the spicy events, and of course the YouTubes, Jassy.
Yep, it's been a long time coming. All the mechanics crammed in the one spot, working on each other's backs. Now we've got this awesome space. Can't wait to move in properly and do some cool, stupid builds for the YouTube. We got something spicy lined up.
Got a few things. One of them being V3 Wags, which will finally happen.
That's not gonna happen. No, we got some other things though.
The spicy YouTube thing.
Yeah, something I think you're definitely going to enjoy. It's probably going to break the internet, so stick around.
So plenty more of that. We will appreciate your comments and all that. And we're literally on the edge of 100K. So if you are a continued watcher, make sure you smack that subscribe right now, because we're up in the game. So you got to up the game and follow us properly so you can see the Kang content that's to come.
Click the subscribe button and like it while you're down there.
Yes. All right, thanks everyone for watching, and stay tuned for all the cars that I get down here, the Barrow Wags, oof, and all the spicy YouTubers' reactions to them. So yeah, thanks for watching. Thanks again, and I'll see you next time.
Bye.